Shenzhen Dio Technology Company Limited was founded in 2015 and focus on electric skateboards, and daily export volume is 600 pieces. In order to ensure the quality of our boards, we have stable raw material suppliers that has been cooperating for 6 years. We also equipped with professional testing instruments and complete with ANSI UL 2272 CE RoHS standards. Our UN 38.3 MSDS and other related certifications can promise your goods can be sent to overseas countries smoothly. We have also applied for appearance and technology patents, so you don't have to worry about legal infringement. We have a professional R&D team that constantly develops new products, just to enable you to have the latest styles in the market. We are also trying our best to improve our after-sales service, whether it is an OEM order or drop shipping order. As long as it is damaged, due to our quality, we will compensate for the new parts free of charge. Yes, you are right. We support drop shipping orders and OEM orders. In the past 6 years, we have exported more than 100,000 pieces boards in 70 countries around the world. We will continue to offer better products and services, hoping to bring convenience and fun to more people. And we also hope to implement this new transportation way to help environmental protection.